Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, as you can see, I am back and this is part 2 of my review for the 7Great store. And we are going to start this, and it is the Silkin butterflies. And we're going to be starting right up here in this corner, and I decided to use that background color, which is 729. And I have used my beeswax that I got from my friend Diane. So, yeah, we're just going to stitch. I had some time, so let's just do a stitch with me. I thought, well, I don't know where to start and what color, so we will just start with the background. It beats the heck out of starting with the 310 black, because that wasn't going to be happening. We need it to be a little more interesting than that. So I'll pull that down. And I don't know if I said this before, but I am using 3 strands of this, and it's 11 count. So let's just do this. Oh, yesterday was a piece of work. Yeah, I got to work, and it wasn't 15 minutes after I got there that the order showed up. Oh, yeah. And then everybody and his dog had to show up at the store. Oh, yeah, it was just awesome. It's like trying to work in the middle of chaos. So we got it done. It took a hot moment, but, you know, because they had to have a few extra things because of everything that was going on in town this weekend. And they figured they'd probably have a few more people. So, whoops. I missed the hole completely. That's what happens when I stitch and talk. 95% of the time, I am stitching by myself. So, I don't have that problem. I can concentrate. Oh, geez. So, my friend should be here somewhere after lunch. And then I have no idea what we plan on doing. We haven't made any real concrete plans on going anywhere or doing anything. But, I mean, short of dinner. So, fun times. That'll be nice. And I don't know if anything has already started in town or not. Or, you know, if it'll be present, you know, while we're out and about. And we may just decide to stay in other than going out to dinner tonight. Because, you know, they've been driving. So, we'll see. But, yeah, I thought I was never going to get out of there last night. And it was a lovely day. It was just absolutely stunning. It was about close to 80. It was in the high 70s somewhere. And people just crawling all over. Yep. You would have thought it was a Friday. But it wasn't. So, that was good. Got to unwind my thread after a while. It gets all twisted up. I think it's the way I stitch. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, I was just fried last night. Just fried. There's just no other word for it. So I came home and took a hot shower and went to bed. I didn't care what time it was. But we seemed to get all the chores done, and people just every which way. And they were coming in by the droves. I don't know where they were all headed. I couldn't even begin to tell you. Some were, you know, in campers, but other than that, I don't know. It was like a holiday. I stitched, what did I stitch on? I think it was Mediterranean yesterday for just a bit, you know, before I had to go to work. But that's all the stitching that I did. So I got nothing on how much stitching I'll get done this weekend at all. So just kind of taking a break. We'll just have to see. Well, it seems to be laying down really good, so kind of liking these silk kits. Wait till you see what I ordered from Fan Cells. Now, this is what I personally ordered. Whoops. Everybody get there, please. I think I need just a bit more on that edge. You get to using it in your hand and it starts to get a little fray. But, yeah. That beeswax has been an absolute godsend. It doesn't make the thread, what do you call it, sticky or anything like that. Like that Thread Magic. I do not like Thread Magic at all. I might as well just run it through chapstick. That's the way it feels. Globby. But not that beeswax. It's nice. Get rid of that. I didn't use the needles out of the kit. I just had to, and there they were, and that's what we're gonna do. So it worked out just fine. So what's everybody else doing this weekend? Anything fun? I hope Jill and her other half are doing fine in Florida, because they're supposed to be getting a hurricane. So I hope that won't cause any problems for their vacation. Yeah, I'm liking this. It's just laying down fine. Such pretty colors in this kit. I think that's the reason that I liked it. All the golds and yellows, and they're even pink and purple in this. Holy cow. These silk kits are, and I'm glad this isn't big. You know, this, I don't think it's, maybe a little bit bigger than the dragon one. I don't know. I can't remember. I was thinking it was 40 by 60, maybe. I might be wrong about that, but I like the smaller they are, the easier they are to accomplish. Now, Mona Lisa does have bigger, what do you call it, silk kits. Like that one with the peonies, and the one that was called Flower Street, I think it was called. And I have that one. I have the peonies too. But yeah, it's made me kind of step back and take another look at the silk kits. I'm really liking them now. I think it's all due to the what do you call it? The beeswax instead of that other wax. And this you don't even have to put a whole bunch on. So, it's awesome. But it doesn't seem to twist up or anything like in the past. Maybe I just didn't know how to use it, you know. Get it unwound here. I'm twisting it up, going up and down, so I haven't had knots yet, so that's always a good thing. But at least we don't have to stop and start here. Then I'll go back and get the other ones. Back it out a little bit. And I just fold, you know, the part that I stitch, I fold it in so it's not on the outside. Some people I know put like a pillowcase in it and then roll it up or fold it up to keep this from rubbing against the canvas. And I haven't got that far in my brain. I just now remembered that. Did you like that? I just threw that in there. But it does help not scratch what you've already stitched. I usually don't think about that when I'm using cotton. But, yeah. It is what it is. Oh my goodness. Maybe we'll get to go to the thrift store today. I love going to the thrift store. I'm a sucker for bargains, I'm telling you. We have that thrift store, and then we have, excuse me, the Restore, which is run by Habitat for Humanity, if I could just talk. And they usually have some really nice things. They have bunches of furniture all the time. But I ain't got no room for no more furniture. It's like get something and get rid of something at the same time. Because, yeah. There's no more wall space. What I need is like floor-to-ceiling bookshelves where I could put all these bags of kits, like up and down instead of in crates. When I moved into this house, they had a great big, oh, I guess you'd call it a china cabinet. That thing was 6 feet across and about 6 or 7 feet tall. And I asked them to get rid of it because, or, you know, find somebody who had a big house that could use it because I had no use for it. What was I thinking? It barely missed scraping the ceiling. That's how tall it was. It was a huge, heavy piece of furniture, and I had no idea what I was ever going to use it for. I don't have that many dishes. That in my brain. I didn't think beyond dishes. Yeah, I probably could have saved that, right? And it would have come in real handy. I've passed up several armoires to do the same thing with. Yeah, just because it's just me, my daughter, and my son-in-law 95% of the time that's going to be moving that sucker here and there because we don't have another guy tall enough to help him. In fact, when I got my couch for in here, my friend from Arizona just happened to be in town, so the two guys put it in, but yeah. All right, guys, we got it. But yeah, it's laid down really well. Very nice. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.